Hey, so does WooCommerce integrate with QuickBooks Online? Well, the answer is yes, and there's a really cool connector app that can help you integrate between the two. It's called Link My Books, and it's going to be linked down in the description for you with a special free trial link. This link also grants you free onboarding with Link My Books, and there's a special coupon code to help you save money with Link My Books and tutorial videos that show you how to make the most out of it. So, WooCommerce integration with the power of Link My Books, you can sync WooCommerce payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, ensuring a detailed breakdown of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So basically, Link My Books is accounting and bookkeeping software. So accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, and built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books. Again, free trial link is in the description. There's also coupon code, free onboarding. Enjoy. And another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers, but also by accountants and bookkeepers. So what does it mean for you? If you're an e-commerce seller, in the description of the video, you're going to find a link to this video with myself, great to meet you, Vova Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, who's the co-founder of Link My Books. In this 30-minute tutorial, we show you how to make the most out of Link My Books for your business. So check it out. It's in the description, 30-minute tutorial from A to Z. Now, if you're an accountant or bookkeeper, and you would like to kind of use Link My Books to manage your e-commerce clients as an accountant and bookkeeper, in the description, you have a 41-minute tutorial, again, with myself, Vov Evan, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books. And in this video tutorial, it's a 41-minute tutorial, we show you how to make the most out of Link My Books for accountants and bookkeepers. So hopefully you'll be able to grow your accountancy, have less errors in your practice, hopefully even get more business because you'll be able to save a lot of time by using automations of an accounting and bookkeeping software. Hopefully you'll be able to grow your business. So again, if you want to sync WooCommerce with QuickBooks Online or even with Xero, check out Link My Books. Free trial link is in the description for you. Free onboarding. So guys from Link My Books will help you from A to Z and show you and guide you all around. Of course, you are also welcome to use the tutorial videos that I've mentioned previously. And that's a good idea, actually, before you even onboard. So you just understand what this tool is about. Those videos will showcase it for you. The best coupon code is in the description as well. Free trial, free onboarding. Enjoy. Have an awesome day. I wish you all best. Thank you.